Today, we're diving into the widely asked question, does Doordash take Cash App? It might seem like a straightforward inquiry, but there's more to consider than you might initially think. Let's explore this topic in detail. First off, let's understand what Doordash is. Doordash is a popular food delivery service that allows users to order food from their favorite restaurants and have it delivered right to their doorstep. With the rise of digital payments, it's natural to wonder if Doordash accepts modern payment methods like those offered by Cash App. Cash App is a mobile payment service that enables users to transfer money to one another using a mobile phone app. Given its convenience and widespread use, many people are interested in whether they can use Cash App to pay for their Doordash orders. To answer the question, yes, Doordash does take Cash App, but with some caveats. Here's how it works. Doordash itself directly doesn't allow users to pay with Cash App within its platform. However, you can use your Cash App funds in two ways to pay for your Doordash orders. The first method is by using the Cash Card, which is a Visa debit card that can be used anywhere Visa is accepted. Since Doordash accepts Visa, you can use your Cash Card to pay for your orders just like any other debit card. The second method involves linking your Cash App account to Google Pay or Apple Pay, depending on your device. Once your Cash App account is linked to one of these digital wallets, you can then select Google Pay or Apple Pay as your payment method on Doordash. This approach highlights the flexibility of digital payment systems and how they interact with each other. While Doordash does not directly take Cash App as a payment method within its app, the integration of Cash App with other digital wallets, and the Cash Card itself allows for a workaround. In conclusion, while you cannot directly use Cash App within Doordash, there are indirect methods to use your Cash App funds for Doordash orders. Whether it's through the Cash Card or by linking your Cash App account to a digital wallet, you have options to enjoy your favorite meals using Cash App. Thank you for watching. This exploration into payment options with Doordash and Cash App shows just how interconnected our digital financial world has become. Understanding these connections can make your online transactions smoother and more convenient. Stay savvy with your digital payments and enjoy your next meal delivery.